Hi, my name's Nathan Gross. Today we're going to do a metal part repair, and we're going to do that with our new Sunfire PRO Refinish System. Sunfire PRO includes a full line of undercoats, complete range of clear coats, and multiple intermix qualities. We have acrylic enamel when you need it, a urethane single stage, and your workhorse base coats. Here's a quick glimpse of our mixing bank. As you can see, it's a very compact system, smaller than maybe you're typically used to seeing in your mixing room, but very versatile. From this system, you can mix 4 different intermix qualities. We have a full array of pearls and toners. Another great feature of this system is the inclusion of our world-class color tools. This includes our global color box, our color maps, and our 5-angle spectrophotometer. As with any repair, it's important that you solvent test the E-coat by the repair area. The next step is your initial bodywork. All bodywork must be finished with P180 grit sandpaper. Make sure you feather edge the repair area with P220 grit on a DA, and then follow that up with P320 grit. It's important in this step that you extend the sanded area around the repair with P400 sandpaper to accommodate the primer application. Next, you want to make sure that you thoroughly clean the part with the Sunfire PRO surface cleaner, then wipe dry with a clean cloth. DTM primer surfacer can be mixed together to create a gray shade to optimize base coat hiding. Apply 2 to 3 coats of the DTM primer surfacer with the appropriate gray shade formula. Make sure the primer is not applied beyond the 400 grit scratches. After primer is cured, apply a dry guide coat before block sanding. Then block sand with P400 grit sandpaper and reapply the dry guide coat to the repair area. Make sure you finish sand the repair area with P600 grit sandpaper or finer. If you are using a DA to finish sand, an interface pad must be used. Then thoroughly clean the part with the Sunfire PRO surface cleaner. Now you're ready to apply the Sunfire PRO Premium Base Coat until coverage is achieved. Apply the Sunfire PRO clear coat that you've chosen for this repair. Follow all mixing applications and recommendations on the product data sheets.